What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so once again, we got to clean up our grapevines. So this one's just got a random long stick hanging out of it. All right, so this one was inspired by this little guy. Look how cute he is. On this one, I want this little guy to sit right over here on this side. Gonna use the Deco Exchange mounting squares again. Let's start ourselves off with a decent sized tail. This one's about 16 inches. All right, let's go about 6.5 inch on the loop. This looks like a 16-inch oval. All right, so let's pull these out in an X shape. Then do our 3. All right. Next, we're gonna do 2 on each side. So these will be in our X shape again. These are just slightly smaller. All right. Then we're gonna do 1 on each. And call it a day. Get a 20-inch pipe cleaner. Give it a good pinch and twist. I'm going to use the pieces that I cut off down here. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing as last time, is I'm gonna build out around the bow. All right, so in this design, I'm gonna focus on going down and up this side. I'm gonna grab the stem cutter because that stem's gonna be way too long. All right, this one, let's cut this one into smaller pieces. So I'm gonna do this one and have the shorter stem up here towards him. All right, y'all, now I just want to get a few of these red stems. So I needed this bright red glitter to go with his hat, y'all. And we're just gonna put a few of these right in. Y'all, look how that red is just kind of helping bring the color out. Let's trim that tail and this tail. Y'all, look how pretty this is. Y'all, and this would be just as cute if the elf wasn't there.